Hello, good morning friends. I am Shalik Katane, working as a subject assistant at DAD Gondia. Today we will discuss on force and type of force. Look at this picture. What will we do for change the position of boat? To change the position of boat, force applied with the help of an oar. Look at this another picture. What will we do to change the position of sponge? To change the position of sponge, here force is applied by finger. Look at this picture. What will we do for breaking this wooden stick? Here also force is applied by the man. What will you do for change the position of bullock cart? Forward. To change the position of bullock cart, force is applied by the ox or bullock. In this picture, a boy applied a force on wheel to change its position. Here, a boy applied a force on football with the help of his leg. To change the position of football, a boy applied a force. Means no object changes its position on its own. Force is required to move an object. Force is used to change the direction of an object in motion or to stop it. Look at these another pictures. Here, to change the shape of a spring, hold the two ends of the spring and pull them apart. To change the shape of this iron, blacksmith hammers a red hot piece of iron. Force is necessary to change the shape of an object. Type of force. The first type is muscular force. What is muscular force? The movement takes place with the help of bones and muscles in the body. Here the person in the picture alongside is lifting the weight by using muscular force. Means the force applied with the help of muscles is called muscular force. Second type of force is mechanical force. We use different machines for doing many tasks. Muscular force is used for running some machines. Some machines are run by using electricity or fuel. Mechanics like the latter are called automatic machines because of mechanical force is used here. For example, shaving machines, electric pump, washing machines, mixer, etc. Means the force applied by means of a machine is called mechanical force. Look at this picture. Farmers use this tractor. This is a mixer machine. This is a sewing machine. Now gravitational force. This is the third type of force. If an object is thrown upward by applying force, it reaches a certain height and comes down again. The earth pull all the object toward itself. Look at these pictures. A boy thrown a ball upward. It reaches a certain height and comes down again. The earth pull all the object toward itself. Here, earth pulls the mango towards itself. Gravitational force, the force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called gravitational force. Thank you friends for watching this video.